Today's lesson is on understanding division. We need to know some vocabulary first. Division is an operation that tells how many equal groups there are or how many are in each group. The dividend is the number to be divided. So that is the total number that you are going to be splitting up. The divisor is the number by which another number is divided. That is the number that is second in the equation or the number outside of the house. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. It is after the equal sign or on top of the house. Here we have a chant to help you remember. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Those chants will help you with the remembering how to solve a division problem. Let's work on a division problem. Here we have 46 divided by 2. This is the same as 2 times what equals 46. First we want to rewrite it so that we have it in working form. Here we have our, I call the house, and you put the dividend in the house and the divisor is on the outside of the house. You are also able to use a multiplication table to help you with division. When using it for division, using these inside numbers will be key. The outside numbers will be for helping with the divisor and also the quotient, what is part of the answer up here. So if we were to take this, 4 is bigger than 2, so we can put a number above the 4 here. We're going to find the 2 on the side. Notice it's on the side of the house. It's on the side of our table. We go over until we find a 4. We go up to the top and we'll find a 2. So we're going to go ahead and put our multiplication. We divided, so we have 2. 2 times 2 for multiplication equals 4. Then we are going to subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Next, we are going to bring down. We move over to the next digit. We have a 6. We are going to bring our 6 down. We now do not have a need to keep that 0, so we just have a 6 there. We're going to look and see now 2 still on the side of the house, 2, and we're going to find a 6 in the middle of our multiplication chart. We go up to the top of the chart and we see a 3. We do 3 times 2 equals 6. Then we subtract. We have 0. So we have gone as far as we can and our answer is 23. The answer will be at the top of the house here. Let's try another one. 42 divided by 6. First thing we want to do is change that into working form. So it is read the same way, 42 divided by 6, but it's easier for us to work in this format. So we have the 6. We're going to find the 6 on the multiplication table. We are looking for a number that is 4 is too small. We have to go all the way to 42. So we go all the way across until we find 42, and then we're going to look up at the top, and we have a 7. So we take our 7 and put that on top of the 2 because we needed the full number 42 to be able to divide. We multiply 7 times 6. We get 42. Next step, we subtract. We don't have anything else to bring down, so our final answer is 7. Now you try it. 28 divided by 4. You're welcome to use a multiplication chart to help solve this. Pause the video until you are ready to check your answer, and then start the video again. Now that you're ready to check your answer, we're going to go ahead and look at the side. We find a 4. We go across until we find 28. We go up to the top and we find a 7. We don't have any more digits, so our final answer is 7. You did it! You did it! You did it!